Hello, my friends. Do you ever feel like English words are disappearing from your mind just moments after you learn them? You spend time studying a new word, you understand its meaning, but when you try to use it a day later, it's gone. It's a frustrating feeling, like trying to hold water in your hands. What if I told you this has nothing to do with having a bad memory? The problem isn't you, it's the method. Today, we're going to change that. I will teach you the best, most powerful techniques to not just learn English words, but to make them a permanent part of your mind. You will learn how to make new words your friends for life, so you never forget them again. Yes, never again. Welcome back to English Unleashed, the podcast where you learn real English slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm Tom, and in today's deep dive episode, we're going to conquer the challenge of forgetting vocabulary. We will go step by step, you will hear real examples, you will repeat with me, and you will learn how to remember English words for life. So get comfortable and let's begin. All right, let's start with the simple truth. If you forget words quickly, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain didn't learn the word deeply. Words you only see once are like strangers. You forget them fast. But words you use, hear, see, and connect with, those become your friends. So how do we make new English words our friends? Here are my favorite techniques. Let's talk about one of the most important things you can do when learning a new word. The big secret is this. Don't just learn the word alone. Think about it. Don't just read it one time. Don't just write it on a list. That doesn't help much. Writing a word and its definition is like taking a picture of a stranger. You might recognize them, but you don't know them. You need to put the word into a real sentence. A sentence that means something to you. A sentence that you might actually say. Let me show you how. Let's take the word charge. This means to put electricity or power into your phone or device. Now, don't just repeat charge, charge, charge. That really doesn't help. Instead, try this. Say it with me. I need to charge my phone. Good. Now, let's make it more real, more detailed. Now say, I need to charge my phone before I leave the house. That's even better. Let's try another one. One more. I couldn't call you. My phone wasn't charged.
See what we're doing? We're creating a small story. Let's try another one. Now you tried this one. Imagine you are at a cafe. You can say, "Excuse me, is there a place to charge my phone here?" Good. That's how people speak in real life. That's real, living English. By putting charge into these different situations, you're not just learning a definition. You're learning how to use it. Your brain is making multiple connections to the word. Let's try another word, delay. This is used when something happens later than expected. Now, say it with me. Create a real situation. There was a delay at the airport. Good. Another one. The train was delayed because of the snow. Good. One more, a very common and useful one. Sorry for the delay. My meeting ran late. You see, every sentence gives the word a new life. You're not just learning the meaning, you're learning how to use the word. Let's try another one. And this time, let's make it a little more active. The word is borrow. Borrow means to take something from someone for a short time and give it back later. Now, say it with me. Ask me this question. Can I borrow your pen? Again, can I borrow your pen? Good. Now a statement. Imagine you went to the library. I borrowed a book from the library. Great. Now a sentence with a little more drama. Try this one. He borrowed my bike and didn't return it. Awesome.
You are not just memorizing, you are creating experiences. Technique 2, make it personal and emotional. This brings us to our next secret for remembering English words, which is truly a game changer for vocabulary learning. Make it personal. When a word means something to you personally, your brain keeps it. Your brain holds on to it. Why? Because our brains are not designed to remember random, boring information. They're designed to remember things connected to our survival, our emotions, and our own life stories. Think of it like this. A word is like a photo. If it's just a photo of a stranger, you forget it. But if it's a photo of your family, you remember it forever. So, let's make your words like your family. Let me show you how. The word is nervous. Nervous means feeling worried or afraid, usually before something important. Now, say this sentence with me, making it a general statement. I felt nervous before my job interview. Okay, that's good. But now, let's make it personal. Think, when was the last time you felt nervous? Maybe before a test, before speaking English, before meeting someone new. Take that real memory, that real feeling, and put it into your own sentence. For example, maybe you can say, I get nervous when I speak in English. Say that with me if it's true for you. I get nervous when I speak in English. That, my friend, is your sentence now. That word belongs to you. It's not just a word. It's connected to your feeling, your experience. Your brain understands it, not just remembers it. Let's try another one. He was nervous before the big exam. Now, make a picture in your mind. Imagine the feeling connected with a real moment, and that's how you remember it. Here is another word, lonely. It means feeling sad because you are alone. Now, let's make a general sentence. Say it with me. She felt lonely in the new city. Repeat it. She felt lonely in the new city. Now, let's make it personal. Say, I sometimes feel lonely when no one is around. Is that true for you? If yes, the word is real now. Your brain isn't just memorizing, it's connecting to an emotion. Let's do one more. He moved away and felt very lonely. Words with emotions are strong. The more you connect a word with your story, the deeper it stays. Okay, here is a big tip, a true game changer for vocabulary learning. Don't learn random words.
Don't just grab a word from here and another word from there. That's like trying to build a puzzle with pieces from different boxes. It doesn't fit. Instead, learn words that are connected. Words from the same topic or words from the same story. Why? Because your brain loves categories. It loves stories. Your brain loves meaningful groups. When words are connected, you remember all of them better. So let's do it together. Let's talk about the weather. Say with me, the word is cloudy. The sky is full of clouds. Now, another sentence. It's cloudy today. I think it might rain. Repeat. It's cloudy today. I think it might rain. Good. Now the next word is breeze. A light, soft wind. Say this. There is a nice breeze this morning. Again, there is a nice breeze this morning. The next word is storm. Heavy rain, wind, and thunder. Say this. The storm last night was very loud. Boom! Now you have learned 3 words, and they are all about one idea. Weather. Now, imagine a little story. It was cloudy. Then the breeze stopped. A big storm came. There was lightning and loud thunder. Now those words are connected in your brain like friends holding hands. They're not alone anymore. So, when you learn a new word, ask yourself, Can I group this with similar words? Can I make a story with these words? This is a technique you might see in some videos titled Learn English Vocabulary with Stories, and it's popular for a reason. It works! Technique 4. Visualize and the use it or lose it rule. Here is another secret to remembering English words. Visualize it. Make a picture in your mind.
That means don't just say the word. See the word in your mind. Create a picture. Imagine something real. You may ask why. Well, because your brain loves pictures. Words plus images create a strong memory. Think about it. You can remember a photo from 5 years ago, but you might forget a sentence from 5 minutes ago. That's the power of visual memory. So let's turn every word into a little movie in your mind. Let me show you how. The word is climb. To climb means to go up. Now say the sentence with me. I want to climb that mountain. Now stop. Close your eyes. Imagine a mountain. Picture yourself with a backpack, wearing boots. You're walking up the path. Do you see it? Now say it again with that picture in your mind. I want to climb that mountain. Let's try another. We climb to the top of the hill. Picture the hill. See yourself at the top, looking down. Feel the wind. One more. The child climbed a tree quickly. Visualize it. See a small child quickly going up a big tree. You see, you're not just learning the word climb, you're feeling it. You're seeing it. That makes it unforgettable. So next time you learn a word, ask yourself, what do I see when I hear this word? Can I create a little movie in my head? How can I make this word real? You can even draw it in your notebook or find a photo online. This brings me to a simple but crucial rule. You have probably heard of the principle, use it or lose it. This is especially true for language. If you want to remember new English words for a long time, you need to use them quickly, like within 24 hours. Why? Because if you don't use a new word soon after you learn it, your brain throws it away. It says, oh, I guess this word isn't important. I will forget it. So remember this simple rule. Use it or lose it. If you learn a new word today, try to use it today. Say it out loud. Write it in your notebook. Send a message to a friend using it. Or speak it into your phone.
Here is my little daily challenge for you. Every day, choose just one new word. Just one. But make 3 full, personal, and visual sentences with it. Say those sentences aloud, use them in your conversations, or send them in a text. The more you use the word in real-life sentences, the faster it becomes part of you. Repeat it in the morning, repeat it in the evening. See it, say it, use it. That's how you own a word. So, let's quickly recap our powerful techniques. Context is king. Always learn words in full, real-life sentences. Make it personal. Connect new words to your own life, your memories, and your feelings. Group them up. Learn words in thematic groups and create small stories to link them together. Visualize. Create a mental movie for each new word. See it and feel it. Use it or lose it. Use your new word within 24 hours to signal to your brain that it's important. And that's it for today's episode. You didn't just listen, you learned, you practiced, you imagined, and you made real connections. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words. It's about using them, feeling them, and living with them every day. So keep listening, keep repeating, and keep building your English one step at a time. I'm Tom, and this is English Unleashed. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. If this lesson helped you, please give this video a like to let me know. And for more lessons to help you master English, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, English Glow. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.